Hello, this is Lynn and welcome. So in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to talk to clients. So do you ever get nervous or get anxious when you talk to a client and you feel like I'm not so prepared or professional enough when talking to our clients? I'm not saying from the marketing perspective, but it's more like auditors' conversations with clients. So this problem has bothered me for a long time. So when we talk to other strangers, they can decide whether they want to continue this conversation after 1 minute or two. However, we don't have a choice over clients. We need to make sure that our clients are willing to talk to us and they're willing to open up and tell us more about their firm or anything about this engagement. So it's really important that we can have some techniques in our conversation to attract our clients. So in the past, I have been reading this book. It's about public speaking. It's TED Talk and it's TED Talk from Chris Anderson. So this book didn't really bring up anything that is surprising or something that you haven't heard before, but definitely give me a lot of practice suggestions that I will take in the future. So the first thing is definitely get familiar with the engagement. So pretty much in the first meeting, you will ask, so you and the client will ask each other a lot of questions. And probably sometimes the managers will help you to survive. But at this time, if you can get prepared for the engagement, look at last year's work papers and also financial statements, and see all the recommendations from last year, you will get a great understanding of the client if time allows. So in the first meeting, in your first meeting with the client, probably they will ask you a lot of questions. It's more like a test. So it's like, so do you understand this engagement? Do you have basic knowledge of accounting? They will not, like the clients probably will not ask you these directly, but they will have some, oh, so I have a question. So this happened this year. What should I do to deal with all the expenses or all the related assets or stuff? If you are like, I'm prepared, I can answer most of your questions or stuff, it will give them a lot of confidence. So even though, here's a trick is, even though you don't feel confident or say, oh, I don't know the answer to this question, or I'm not so sure, I will be like, I will think this is the solution, but I will need to check with my manager or partner and get back to you. Or say, oh, can you give me some more documentation? The second thing is, the second thing is from this book. So it said, get personal. Don't ask a lot of, oh, do you have, are you tax exempt, or do you have personnel change last year? Don't ask those yes or no questions. Ask them, what are the personnel changes from last year? And did it affect you, or what are the effects? So in this book, it also brought up topic, how to explain tough concepts. We can explain to the people who totally don't understand what accounting is, what auditing is, and explain to them what this new standard is about, how to implement the new standard. A good thing is we can talk to our staff. If they can understand what you're talking about, I mean, this is a great training process, like supervising our staff, but also it will be a great training for yourself too, to talk to your clients. They will understand what they will need to do or stuff. So the last thing is practice. Pretty much that is all my suggestion here. I hope that this video will help you a little bit as well.